first time running this.
We're out playing in the snow, waiting for Big Dog to open. They were supposed to open at 10. Where are they?
I'm betting the motor or something got wet.
Grr.
Or something's just cold. I'll take it and play around. 200 stock. This is
Put the snow paddles on. Eli's playing. Now he's stuck. Don't go into the car.
Yeah, you may never get back out. Yeah, a little bit of snow got inside it, that's why. I don't know what it got on, but pretty much everything.
Jeez.
Cover didn't work as well as I'd liked. I don't know how all the snow got in there. I'm pretty well sealed.
They should just automatically make all RRC electronics waterproof.
Yes.
We have the technology.
Yes, we do.
Out here at Big Dog moving some rocks, and I am sweating.
Yeah.
But so's JR and maybe Dave, I don't know.
He is a little.
Taking all these side piles out, throwing them to the middle, kind of making like a crossover X thing towards the back, and just going for something new.
That we just did. You're spinning like that. You're not getting out. Pick it up and move it before you take the rocks out of there. don't know, your Nerf bars look just fine.
I think they work too.
You need to make a couple purple hornies though.
What?
Purple hornies, exhaust pipes. Have you ever seen those? A lot of guys ran them on the old V8 Jeeps.
Oh yeah, the CJ5.
Yeah, when they ran them on the outside there.
Yeah.
Those big, heavy-duty purple, and they worked like a step because they were so heavy.
Yep.
If you get the left side of the hook, you can almost make it go wide.
Yeah, that was kind of the idea.
I keep trying to cut it close to the tennis ball.
That's the same thing that caught me up last time. I get some oil in these shocks, I think they may be alright, if I can get them to seal up. Oh, good. All right.
Can't just drag across.
It won't go full.
Oh!
And off the bridge he goes. Right now, the only actual problems is the painted earth sledding would be me and Nick. And that's it. I just do full horn, like back to the left. I should have told him to put 10 more pounds in it.
I need a Castle creation speed control on this.
Oh, you need a Holmes Hobby.
Well, the low speed resolution sucks on the FXR.
I still have one brand new in the package, Holmes Hobby waterproof, 90 bucks.
Well, wheels and tires are my main priority.
Yeah.
Right now.
I hear that.
These tires are nice. It's just I think the foams that are killing me, as a matter of fact.
Those tires are awesome, dirt tires.
I've got all day. I wonder if I can make it up this morning.
Only took me about 35 minutes to get here.
How fast are you going?
As fast as I could go. About 70.
Ah.
That
Now
was
what
close.
if you wiggle back? Do you count that as a reverse?
Normally we count only powered reverses. That's cheating.
I've got 7954 in there, baby. It'll wiggle all day long. Oh!
Wheelie!
That was a powered reverse.
The blue lights under there, whenever you're throwing dust, it glows.
Your cone is in there. Eli, we got a top. I caught it before
It looks good.
it looks good. Get some oil in the shocks, get some
A little weight in the wheels.
weight in the wheels, and that may make it competitive. There we go. The springs are nice and soft too.
Seems like it settles out pretty good.
Yeah, it does. I need some dampening though. It bounces. And I think
Yeah, I
that
see
may
that.
be the foams too. I want to run the course second time better.
I would hope so.
Well, I think I'm getting used to the rhythm.
Alright, go ahead. You can turn the laser dot on too, so it puts a laser wherever it is that it's going to be.
How do you do that?
How's that?
Oh yeah.
I'm just bouncing.
Back out. Right there. Throttle hard.
Oh. Sounds like boom.
More cowbell, too much cowbell.
It was just so hilarious because it was like it got shot out of there.
You almost had it too. Your front diff was just caught on this rock. There you go, back up now. Oh, that was nice. Whoa! Oh, his wheelbase is nice.
And I'll dig back through this rock right here that I like.
Yep.
That camera has a horrible microphone, so it really doesn't pick anything up.
You're actually hung up on that pointy rock now. Oh. You have awesome steering on that.
You like that?
Still gonna lose it right there though.
That was an improvement over the TSSO season. If I'd have had that, I'd have done a lot better. Back up.
Alright guys, time to pull them off. Track is closed, time to pull them off. Jerry, if you're available, Ron, what's your at?
This part's like almost a joke.
Yeah, but it's nice.
Yeah.
It's nice and smooth.
It'll give some of the not so good drivers the confidence to get through the rest.
Exactly.
I kind of dig that across there.
Yes, I like this right now.
I'll tell you what I want to do. I'm going to come back to the beginning again. I need to switch over to that 79 servo. This one's too slow.
What do you have?